How's it going, Welcome back to the Great Green North. I want to introduce myself. My name is Wade Murray. I am a lawn care enthusiast and I've worked in the industry, and I'm here to help teach you to have the greenest lawn on the block. And I am Canadian, proudly Canadian, and I want to help my Canadian friends as much as possible because I know there's not a lot of us Canadians out there. So for a lot of new guys that have come in the last couple days, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. Those are the two best ways that you're going to be able to see all my videos when they come out. And another thing that I want to do, I do these about once or twice a year, I want to do another Q&A to answer as many of your guys' questions as possible. So make sure that you guys leave any questions you have down below. I'll make sure to answer them in a video format coming near the end of July, early August. We'll answer all these questions. I know I've got a lot. And another thing too, I want to get started on the podcast again, coming back probably in the next couple weeks. So if you have any questions for the podcast, you can email them in to me, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com. Those will be featured on the podcast coming up very, very soon. And from the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subs, and I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you for watching. As always, keep it green. Leave any questions down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.